Create a signature for your emails, you're going to go to the gear icon for settings and then click See All Settings. You're going to scroll down to get to signature. You're going to click Create New. You're going to name it. I usually, my everyday one, I call it Everyday, and you're going to click Create. Over here, you're going to be typing in your signature, whatever it is. You can also then change the font, the color, the size. You can add in links. You can also insert images into your signature. Then down here, you're going to decide for new emails. You're going to choose if you want to have your signature, and you can choose if you want reply or forwards if you want a signature. If you click this little button, it will put the signature above quoted text in replies. I tend to put that one on as well. And then you're going to go ahead and click Save Changes. Now, when you click an email, you will have your signature on your emails. If you want to remove it or you want to change it, you can click the little pen icon at the bottom of your new message window. And if you say no signature, you won't have a signature in there.